Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So you are a YouTube content creator and you're not making money. Now, this is something that is all too common to a lot of people who are on YouTube and on other platforms as well, but YouTube is usually the one that people associate with making money online. Now, the thing is, whenever people say that money is not important, well, let's see how long they last. Okay, now for myself, money is important. And I definitely want to make money off of YouTube. But obviously there are other things that I want to do with YouTube as well. But it is very important. And so today I want to talk about that and how if you are not making money on YouTube, at least right now, I think you might want to put things in perspective. Okay, so if you've watched any of my other videos, I've said many times that YouTube is not a job. YouTube is a business. You are an entrepreneur. You are now self-employed. And if you've never experienced that world before, it's completely different from a job. Because in general, if you have a job, in most countries, when you go work, you get paid. Whereas in YouTube, you might or might not get paid no matter how much time you put in. So that's why this is more pretty much of a business than anything else. And so with that being said, when people think that YouTube is hard to make money, I think you need to take it from a different perspective. So if you've never created a physical business, which is you have a physical location, a building, you have employees, this is way, way easier. And so I have had a physical business myself. And let me tell you, YouTube is absolutely nothing compared to what it costs to start up a real business, a real physical business. It could cost you thousands of dollars to actually get the business running. First and foremost, you have to find the location. And then here in the United States, if you need to get various permits, like fire permits, electrical permits, you need to get various licenses. That could add up a lot. And then if you need equipment for your business, you know, it could be into the thousands of dollars and potentially millions. But for most people, if they're starting out their first business, just look to spend normally $50,000 to $100,000 plus just to start your business. And even then, for you to make a profit, it could be years. And so a lot of people are familiar with the restaurant business where it might take 5 years or more just for you to make some money. And once again, there are no guarantees and there is a lot of competition. And so whenever I think about YouTube and all the challenges that it takes to make money, and then I compare that to a physical business, which is what existed way before YouTube, it is way, way easier. And so if you are a brand new content creator and you actually want to make money from YouTube and you really think that, man, you're not making money and maybe it's not worth it, just kind of put things in perspective. And if you've never had a physical business, maybe try to find people who have had a physical business, or just do a search on YouTube to see people who've actually gone through physical business. And whenever you see that, then it puts things in perspective. And it might make this whole journey of YouTube as a business and making money much, much easier. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are a current YouTube content creator or you are thinking about making YouTube a source of income or your primary income, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.